Hello, everybody. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a box opening. I got some friend mail from a very special friend. She's very dear to me, and I just hope she's not overspending because she's supposed to be saving her money. But I love her anyways. So let's see what we got here. This is actually really heavy. Is that an angel? It looks like an angel. But it's so pretty. So this will definitely go in for my Christmas themes. Oh, it's Dewey. I'll do it later. I don't know what I'm getting here. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Are they all different? I'm gonna have to figure this out. Okay, so let's see what we have here. I don't know if they're all the same or not. Can't tell. Ah, why is there two different? Ooh. Okay, how do I do this? How do I show this off? Oh my gosh, I lost my. Okay. They are butterflies and look like garnets. I think she bought me. I think they're all the same. Let's find out. Yes, they're all the same. Okay. These are gorgeous. Oh my god. Hey, Marcy, you're gonna have to tell me what I'm supposed to do with these. Because it's four of these. Okay. I have to keep it quiet because my son is sleeping. And he's autistic, so he goes to bed whenever he's tired. And he wakes up whenever he's not tired. Go away. Oh, it's a little dragon. Oh, I'm gonna have to be very careful with this. I'm gonna have to find my metallic micas. And he can stand up, so he will be on one of my shelves. Thank you very much, Marcy. A kitty stand. Oh no, it's a shelf, like the dragon one I have. Oh yes, more metallics for this one. You know, someone's after my heart when they start buying me dragon stuff, right? I will probably start making them this week. Please tell me you can see this. Please tell me you can see this. A shield. Comes as a set. I haven't done swords in a while. I hope this will work. Very much appreciated. Oh, that! I got a lot of shelves to make. I'm just going to keep them in there because I don't want them filled with dust. I'm sure you get me with that, Marcy. No dust. Everything I have is in a plastic box or plastic bag. Is that a mushroom? I'm going to have to test you out today. Because I plan on making some more, Valentine stuff. This one's an owl. I love the fact that they have the stars and crystals in them. Anything else is like, I don't know how to explain it. I just like crystals and stars. Okay, last one. And we know it's going to be good because it's new. A butterfly, yes. Oh, it's got roses in it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh wait, that's a skull right there. Can you see it? Oh, okay. So this will go into my Halloween one. So I got some work to do, don't I? Thank you, Marcy. And thank you, everyone, for joining me today. Don't forget to leave a like and a share. I hope everybody enjoyed this box opening from a very dear friend of mine. All right. Have a great day. Namaste.